Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lawrenceville, local and long distance movers near me. Our team will offer you the following options for your long distance move: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. We need to relocate 100 miles or further, we can help. Our team of movers makes it simple to get you where you need to go. Whether it's a small apartment, a large home, or a business, we can help you move. An Illinois moving company will help make your move so much easier, too. With the right professional movers, you don't have to worry about anything. You can hire your moving company to do the packing and unpacking. Imagine showing up at your new location and all you have to do is settle in. With 3 Movers, you get the worry-free moving day you want. We make things so much easier by showing up on time and getting your things loaded efficiently. A move that might take you all weekend to complete, we can get done in one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lawrenceville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.